Hey guys, hopefully you have just finished watching the video that talks to you about dimes. And we learned that a dime is this small silver coin worth 10 cents. Now we're going to count some collections of coins that contain dimes and what's this other coin over here? Pennies. So you've seen me do this with nickels already this week. What I'm going to do is use shorthand to show how many dimes I have. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimes. And then if you remember from earlier this week, I drew a line to show that this is a new type of coin now. And I see 2 pennies, so I'm going to write 2 letter P's to show penny. Okay. Now, if a dime is worth 10 cents, what I'm going to do is count them by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I'm counting pennies. That means I'm counting by ones. 1 more than 60 is going to be 61, 62. So this coin collection is worth 62 cents. All right, let's get out another collection of coins. Again, today we're just doing collections of coins with 2 types. What are they again? We've got our dimes and we've got our pennies, okay? So this time I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. I'm gonna draw my line and I see 2 pennies. See if you can do your count by tens before I write them. 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, because a penny is just worth 1 more cent, 52. What I think is really cool about dimes and pennies is that they remind me of our base 10 blocks. They're tens and ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. They're just like base 10 blocks. So this coin collection is worth 52 cents. All right. With this next collection of coins, what I'm going to do is I'm going to label my dimes and my pennies again, okay? Or in this case, my penny, because there's only one. So I've got 1, 2, 3 dimes, 4 dimes, 5 dimes, 6 dimes, 7 dimes. I'm going to draw my line and then put a P for penny. Now, sometimes you know how to count by tens so quickly that you might not even need to write all of them. Let me show you what I mean. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Then because I see that line right there, I'm just going to write the number 70 so I don't forget it. That all these dimes make 70 cents. And now I'm thinking about my pennies. 1 more than 70 is 71. So this collection of coins is worth 71 cents. Okay. So the only thing I did differently there was instead of writing all my count by tens, because that can get a little squished, I just wrote the final amount that all of those dimes were worth. Let's do one more collection of dimes and pennies. Okay, take a look. How many dimes do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. And how many pennies do you see? 3 pennies. Okay. Now again, if I don't want to have to write all of my count by tens, if I know how to count by tens in my head, I can just go like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Or you might also have just known in your head that if you have 10 dimes, if you have 5 dimes, that's gonna be 50 because it's worth 5 tens or 50. Okay, now let's move on to our pennies. 51, 52, 53. So that means that this collection of coins is worth 53 cents. All right, that's all I've got for you today. See you back here tomorrow.